Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, we're shining the spotlight on one of the most influential and beloved stars in Philippine entertainment, Marian Rivera. Whether it's her unforgettable roles in Marimar, Darna, A Temptation of Wife, or her inspiring advocacy work, Marian has proven time and time again that she's much more than just an actress. Join me as we take a closer look at her rise to fame, her incredible achievements, and why Marian continues to be an icon both on and off the screen. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my vlog. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Marian Rivera Gracia Dantes, born August 12, 1984, is a renowned Filipino actress, television host, model, and entrepreneur. Widely celebrated for her captivating portrayals of heroines and her standout roles in romantic dramas, she has become a household name in Philippine entertainment. Over the course of her career, Rivera has amassed an impressive collection of accolades, including 2 FAMAS Awards, 5 PMPC Star Awards for television, and numerous box office entertainment awards. In 2020, Forbes Asia recognized her as one of the most influential Filipino celebrities in the Asia-Pacific region. Born in Madrid, Spain to Francisco Javier Gracia Alonso, a Spaniard, and Amalia Rivera, a Filipino from Cavite, Marian's early years were marked by her parents' separation when she was just 3 years old. Her mother took her back to the Philippines, and Marian spent much of her childhood with her maternal grandmother in Maragondon, Cavite. Si Marian ay nag-aral sa St. Francis Assisi College para sa kanyang elementarya at high school na edukasyon at kalaunan ay nakakuha ng Bachelor of Arts in Psychology degree mula sa De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. Pagkatapos ng kanyang graduation, nagtrabaho siya sa isang mental institution sa Mandaluyong bago lumipat sa entertainment industry. Sinimula ni Rivera ang kanyang karera bilang isang commercial model bago gumawa ng kanyang acting debut sa pelikulang Enteng Kabisote 2 o Kay Fairy Ko, The Legend Continues in 2005. Nakakuha siya ng pelikula ng nominasyon para sa New Movie Actress of the Year sa 2006 Star Awards for Movies. She soon transitioned to television, landing minor roles before catapulting to stardom with a 2007 remake of Marimar. These roles solidified her place in Philippine entertainment industry, and she continued to rise with subsequent leading roles in hit TV shows like Jezabel in 2008, Darna in 2009, and Temptation of Wife in 2012. Rivera also starred in several box office hits such as Shake, Rattle, and Roll 10 in 2008, Ang Panday 2 in 2011, and Rewind in 2023, which became the highest-grossing Philippine film of all time. Throughout her career, Marian Rivera has garnered multiple awards and recognition, including 11 box office entertainment awards and nominations at prestigious events like the Asian Television Awards and the Metro Manila Film Festival. Her portrayal of iconic characters, such as the title roles in Darna and Jezabel, earned her widespread admiration. Her talent and beauty were also acknowledged with multiple appearances on the cover of FHM Philippines, where she was named the country's sexiest woman in 2008, 2013, and 2014. Bilang karagdagan sa kanyang mga tagumpay sa pag-arte, si Rivera ay isang matagumpay na recording artist na naglabas ng 2 album, Marian Rivera Dance Hits in 2008 at Retro Crazy in 2009, na parihong nakamit ang mga sertipikasyon ng platinum at gold. Marian's personal life has also captured public attention. In 2014, she married her longtime partner, actor Dingdong Dantes, in a grand ceremony broadcast on national television. The couple, who had been together for several years, welcomed their first child, a daughter named Maria Leticia, in November 2015. They later had a son, Jose Sixto Gonzalez, in 2019. Bilang karagdagan sa kanyang trabaho sa industriya ng entertainment, si Rivera ay isang aktibong tagapagtaguyod para sa mga karapatan ng kababaihan at mga bata. Siya ay hinilang bilang Ambassador for Women and Children with Disabilities ng Philippine Congress at kilala rin siya sa kanyang suporta sa pampublikong pagpapasuso na tumatanggap ng Breastfeeding Influencer at Advocate Award noong 2016. Beyond acting, Marian Rivera has ventured into entrepreneurship, establishing a strong presence in business world, though she remains primarily focused on her entertainment career and advocacy work. Marian Rivera continues to be one of the most influential personalities in the Philippines, maintaining a massive following on social media. She was named by Preview Magazine as one of the most influential Filipino figures in 2022 and has a long-standing legacy as a beloved figure in Filipino entertainment. Her unwavering dedication to her craft, her contributions to various charitable causes, and her entrepreneurial spirit have solidified Marian Rivera's status as one of the country's brightest stars. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Rabindranath Tagore, you can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photo credits to gmanetwork.com, and inspirational quotes credits to womansday.com.